You know me, I like to explore and try out things. Hi guys, let's make ketchup together. In a bowl, I have fresh tomatoes. You can use tin tomatoes or sachet tomatoes for this process. But if you're using fresh tomatoes, please fill the bowl up with hot water. Cover it up for some time so you can peel off the skin. You don't need it for ketchup. Now, after that, you're going to deseed it and then cut it into tiny chunks and place in a pot and simmer that for few minutes. You're going to be adding in your chopped onions, chopped garlic, chopped ginger. You can skip out ginger and garlic if you don't like it. Then you allow the simmer for some time, after which you drain the water and then set that juice aside. You need that juice, just set it aside. Blend this smooth, and then in that juice, you're going to be adding cornstarch just to give the ketchup thickness. Mix that up thoroughly and pour it into your blended tomatoes. I had to switch blender because it wasn't giving me what I wanted. After blending it, you turn it into a pot, add salt, some sugar, vinegar, mix this up thoroughly and allow it to simmer on low heat for some time until you get the consistency you want. That's it. I got my consistency. I'll be saving this in our takeaway pack because I do not have ketchup container. And so it just be your ketchup no pass like this. The more it stays cold, the more it gets thicker, even thicker than what you already made. Will you be trying this? Let me know. Bye.